Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up a telescope. Firstly, pick a stable level surface away from bright street lights. The darker the area, the better for stargazing. Avoid heat sources like rooftops that can distort your view. Now spread the tripod legs and place it on a solid ground. Adjust the height to a comfortable level and tighten all locks so the tripod is stable. If your telescope uses azimuth mount or equatorial mount, attach it to the tripod head securely. Now carefully place the optical tube into the mounting bracket and secure with screws or knobs provided. Attach and align the finder scoop onto the main telescope. In daylight, point the telescope at a distant object and use the telescope's focuser to sharpen the view, then adjust the finder scoop until it shows the same object centered. Start with a lower power eyepiece and then insert it into the focuser and tighten it gently. At night, point your telescope toward a bright object like the moon and look through the eyepiece and adjust the focus knob until the object is sharp. For equatorial mounts, use slow motion control knobs to follow objects across the sky and use Barlow lenses or higher power eyepieces for zoomed in views. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.